Next, let us go to the question in the complex number, that is, if z1, z2, z3 and so on z20 are the roots of the equation sigma k equal to 1 to 20 z power k is equal to 0, then what is the value of sigma r equal to 1 to 20 1 by z r minus 1? So let us find the solution of this problem in this way, which is given that you consider it as, consider z to the power of 21 minus 1 as z minus 1 into z power 1 plus z power 2 plus z power 3 plus so on z power 20 from the polynomial expressions, where here z minus 1 into this is nothing but a sigma ranging z power k, where k is equal to 1 to 20, which is given as 0. Therefore this becomes z minus 1 into 0 is equal to 0. Now we have 1 comma z1 comma z2 and so on z20. These are the 21st roots of the unity. So general form of the nth root of unity is, say, z is equal to e to the power of some 2k pi by 21 into I for all k takes values from 0, 1, 2 up to 20. This is a general form of the nth root of unity of a complex number. Now hence for k is equals to 0, this becomes z is equals to 1, and for all the rest values of r takes values from 1 to up to 20, z1, z2, z3 and so on z20. These are the corresponding roots. When these are corresponding roots of z power 21 minus 1, then z1 can be written as e to the power of 2 by pi by 21 into I, and z2 can be written as e to the power of 4 pi by 21 into I, and z3 can be written as e to the power of 6 pi by 21 into I, and so on. Z power 20 can be written as e to the power of 40 times pi by 21 into I. So here let us consider z20 in this way. Z power 20 e to the power of 40 pi by 21 into I can be split as e to the power of 2 pi times of I into e to the power of minus of 2 pi by 21 times of I. If you can simplify, the exponents are added, so 21 into 42 minus 2 will be 40 pi by 21. So e to the power of 40 pi by 21 I can be written as such. Therefore we can say Z20 is e to the power of 2 pi by I, that is e to the power of I theta from Euler's theorem, that is cos of theta plus I sin of theta. Therefore here e to the power of 2 pi I becomes cos of 2 pi plus I sin of 2 pi. In fact sin 360 is 0, cos 2 pi is 1, so it is 1 comma 0, hence this is equal to 1. Therefore Z20 becomes e to the power of minus 2 times of pi by 21 into I, that is left. Can I write this my negative integer as 1 by e to the power of 2 pi by 21 I, where e to the power of 2 pi by 21 is, this is nothing but, this e to the power of 2 pi by 21 I is nothing but z1. So therefore I'll replace this one as 1 by z1. Hence what we can conclude is z20 is equals to z1 bar, the conjugate of z1. Now let us consider 1 by z1 minus 1 plus 1 by z1 bar minus 1, which is a conjugate. If you can simplify and take the LCM, this LCM becomes z1 into z1 bar minus z1 bar plus 1, and this z1 bar minus 1 plus z minus z1, which can become this minus 1 minus 2. If I take minus common in this, then it is 2 minus of z bar divided by, here this is z1 z bar, that is z bar is always equal to 1 in the complex number. Therefore this becomes 1 plus 1 is equals to 2, and minus of z minus of z1 bar, this is z1 and z1, so this is also z1, so z minus z1 bar. So both numerator and denominator are equal, I can get cancel and is equals to minus 1. Now what we had is this 1 by z1 minus 1 and 1 by z1 bar minus 1 is equals to minus 1. Similarly, if I split the expression sigma r range from 1 to 20, 1 by z r minus 1 as sigma of r range from 1 to 10, as I split it as z r minus 1 plus 1 by z of 21 minus r, which will be the conjugate of z r, then this becomes, if I expand this total, it takes the form of z r minus, this is nothing but 1 by z r minus 1 plus 1 by z 21 minus r minus 1, which will be of the form of 1 by z r minus 1 plus 1 by z r bar minus 1, where sigma r takes values from 1 to 10. So when I expand this one for sigma r value 1 to 10, then it takes this form. Therefore, this can become, as its value is already evaluated, that is equal to minus 1. And this is sigma r range from 1 to 10 of minus 1. That implies minus 1 times sigma of 1, where 1 to 10 is there. That is minus 1 into sigma 1 from 1 to 10 is 10. That is equals to minus 10 is the answer of this expansion. Hence, which option is going to be the correct option? That is option B is going to be the correct option for this question.